It was very hard to find out who exactly was the producers of that product, the manufacturer of the product. There was no, I mean, I did get to see the picker when it was new, and there was nothing like product description of it. There was nothing that talked about the material it was made of. There was no warning signs of any kind on the product itself. Howard came and found the truth that they were indeed responsible and involved with the actual picking of the material that product was made of, which and the design and the product and putting on the warning and all of that this company was involved with, very involved with. And Howard tracked those documents down with their name on it.
Every year, thousands of people are killed and thousands more seriously injured in the United States as a result of inadvertent, unintended contacts with electrical sources. One significant source of such tragedies are long-handled gardening tools, specifically designed to reach high up into trees where nearby power lines are located.
The problem is that these fruit trees with their dense canopies will grow near and obscure these high voltage power lines, such that the users are unable to see and appreciate the danger.
In 1981, the state of California, noting that alternative, readily available non-conductive materials were already being used by many of the makers of such products, banned the use of metal on such products.
The fix was easy, inexpensive, and readily available. The manufacturers simply used non-conductive materials such as fiberglass, wood, and plastic composites, each of which are strong, durable, and anti-corrosive.
In the mid-2000s, some commercial sellers began using highly conductive metal poles again, exposing the user to the risk of death or serious injury in the event of inadvertent contact with hidden electrical sources such as power lines. One such case involved the death of a 54-year-old Orlando man who was electrocuted while picking avocados from a tree in his backyard.
Howard came to our home numerous times to speak with our family. He was open to discussion when I would call him and say, Howard, you know, my boys are feeling a little this and a little that. He's like, let's meet, let's get together. Howard was very instrumental in making my daughter especially feel comfortable in this because she was very anxious.
He made me feel comfortable for sure. He knew about like my singing and like looked up my YouTube page. Like he did a lot of things. Like he went, I think, like beyond what he had to do to make me feel comfortable.
I actually was not aware of the behind the scenes that Howard's company and associates were doing until he had presented it to us at the opening. Like he came over right before the trial was set and presented his opening case. And my kids were blown away.
After seeing the presentation, it was just like confirmed, like we picked the right person and we did the right thing.